We that star you see shining in the sky, man. Polaris.
What's good, y'all? It's Polaris, and today I got a quick one for you, man. Be showing you how to import your After Effects projects into Adobe Premiere Pro. And it's very quick, it's very simple. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. This is our project we have right here on After Effects. Okay, so you got a little project here, which first thing you want to do is just select all your layers. And you just want to pre-compose it. You could do that by going to layer and pre-compose, or you could just hit Ctrl Shift C. You can name it whatever you want, and then you just press OK. Then you're gonna want to save your project, save it exactly where you know it'll be at. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Next, you want to open up your Premiere Pro. Then you want to go ahead and find your After Effects file you just saved, copy it into Premiere Pro. It's gonna ask about this, and you want to just select the whole pre-comp that we created earlier. Next, you could just drag it onto the timeline, and bam, you got your goddamn project in there, man. Let's see it, man. Let's see it.
I'm having no blue rats when you see me, don't leave it in the bank. And we could do that when you see me, I'm talking anything.
You know what I'm saying? Simple. Simple. And mine's is long, so I'll cut it short. And it's that easy, man. You got your whole project back into Premiere Pro, and now you could go ahead and make your Premiere Pro adjustments, color grade, whatever you want to do here on Premiere Pro. You got it, man. And just like that, man, the video is over. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. If this helped you out, man, make sure you leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe now, man. Subscribe. And leave a comment down below what tutorials you guys need next. And see y'all in the next video. Love.
We that star you see shining in the sky, man. Polaris.